How to get beta iOS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web application on your iPhone. Search Apple Beta from your browser and select the site with titled Apple Beta Software Program. This will take you to the Apple Beta Software Program webpage. Once the page has loaded, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Get Started. After that, find and follow the link on the page to enroll your iOS device under the Get Started section. Scroll down again to find the Turn on Beta Update section. Here, tap on the Open Beta Updates button and tap on Open to proceed. It will take us to Beta Update settings. Finally, go back one screen, and your iPhone will automatically have the available Beta Software Update section in Software Updates. Following these steps, you can easily get beta iOS on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.